Hello everybody and welcome to another video. I hope all of you are having an amazing day and you're ready to watch another video with me reviewing Udemy courses. Some of them are free, some of them are paid, but I always leave in the description box the link for its course so you can check it out by yourself. Today I'm going to review a course called Sass Workflow, and I've done some Photoshop, I've done some AngularJs, I've done some JavaScript, but I think this is my first time reviewing something like Sass. Let's go to overview and recent activity about this course, and let's see what it says here. It's like learn why Sass is becoming more prominent in web development and how to use the API and command line for Sass. Well, that sounds promising. It has 21 lectures, 3 hours of videos, and the skill level is a beginner level. The language is English, and the speaker speaks pretty good English, and you can totally understand him. In the description box you will find more information, and again I like the part with the requirements, what I'm going to get from this course, what is this target audience. Here you can see one. I don't think that this is relevant, maybe it's something that the instructor didn't say, but other than that everything in the description is very useful. Also, here are some more information about the instructor. You can find his Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube and website. Let's continue with the course content, and as I said, there are a lot of videos in it. There are 3 hours of videos, and sometimes when a course is free it's only going to be 1 or 2 hours, but in this case it's 3, and it actually provides 2 supplemental resources, which is also kind of awesome. The Sass extended version, like the 4th section, I think it was added after the first 3 sections, but the 4th section in my opinion is also the better one because it gives you more real kind of applications and examples. I mean, in the 19th and 20th video they are quite big, they are like 70 and 80 minutes, but they are in depth and you can see some real world examples. The previous videos are also in depth and are also really good, and I mean that for a free course is a totally recommended. So there are good, but maybe they're not so much in depth, and she gives you like some more basic things and not like real world kind of applications. Now in the Q&A sections there are questions, and sometimes there is an answer, sometimes there is not any answer. In the announcement, the last one was 2 years ago. Okay, maybe that's not so great, but I don't think that you will have like many questions, or you will search for something extra in the announcement, because in the course content and how everything is structured is very good and very clear. If you want to learn Sass, if you want something free, I would totally recommend this course. The instructor is great, the examples and especially in the end are great, and yeah, I think that you should take it. This course has also 4 out of 5 stars, which is a very great rating, and I gave this course 5 stars. I really liked it. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day!